Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get into Marvel Comics. Starting your journey into the vast Marvel universe can feel overwhelming, but it's easier than you think. The best approach is to begin with characters or teams that already spark your interest, perhaps from movies or shows. You don't need to read all 50,000 plus comics. Instead, focus on modern runs or acclaimed graphic novels that offer complete stories. Just jump in and enjoy the adventure. Once you know what you want to read, consider your reading format. Marvel Unlimited is a fantastic digital subscription service, giving you access to over 30,000 comics for about $10 a month. It's incredibly convenient for binge reading. However, many fans still love the tactile experience of physical comics, which also supports local comic shops. Trade paperbacks are also a great option, collecting multiple issues into one volume for a complete story. To help you dive in, here are some iconic storylines perfect for new readers. Civil War is a compelling event where heroes take sides on a major issue, featuring Iron Man and Captain America. For a grand cosmic adventure, Infinity Gauntlet sees Thanos wielding immense power against Earth's mightiest heroes. And if you're interested in the X-Men, House of M presents a powerful alternate reality that reshapes the Marvel universe. To truly maximize your reading enjoyment, remember a few key tips. Don't feel obligated to read every single comic. Fan-made reading guides can help you navigate specific characters or events. It's perfectly fine to jump between different series or even read stories out of strict chronological order. Finally, connect with other Marvel fans online. They often have fantastic recommendations and can enhance your overall experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.